Okay, so this question asks you to enlarge the shape by a scale factor of -1/2 with a centre of enlargement 0, 0. Now, the half means it should end up being half as big, and the minus indicates it's going to end up on the other side of your centre of enlargement. Lots of you did the right sort of thing by drawing these lines in to be as accurate as we can. And we'll do the same with the other two vertices. And the same with this one. Okay, so you've got these lines drawn in. Now, the minus bit, like I say, means we're going to work backwards from this cross, and the half means it'll be half of the movement that takes you from the centre to each point. So let's say we call these A, B and C, and we're really methodical about it. This, to get to A, is a movement of 2 to the right and 7 up. So the opposite of that is what, like the opposite direction and half the movement. Instead of going 2, 7, we're going to go 1 to the left and then 3.5 down, which takes us to this bit here. Okay, for B, that's 2 to the right and 3 up. So going the opposite way, instead of going 2 and 3, I'm going to go 1 and 1.5, because that is in the opposite direction and it's half the movement. To get to C, you have to go 4 across and 3 up. So doing half that in the other direction, I'm going to go 2 this way and 1.5 down. And because my lines are accurate, you can see that they do actually all fall on the lines. Now if I join these up, you have a triangle that's half as big, and it's also on the other side of your centre of enlargement. So like I say, the minus sign means you work away from it, from the centre of enlargement, and the half just means that the movement to get to each point is halved, and as a result your final shape ends up being half as big. Oh, label your image Q. There we go.